4 minutes. That's all it took to identify, execute, and close a BIT token arbitrage trade on BNB Smart Chain for more than 15% profit. No paid signals, no insider information, no complicated trading bots. Just the price difference between two markets, a trust wallet and a DeFi platform. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how this trade worked, the risk involved, and how you can spot similar opportunities before they disappear. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so that when we release new content, you would see them. Now, the first thing I did was, as usual, come to CoinMarketCap, and first thing you would notice about this is we have the BEAT token on BSC network. Now, so the first thing I just did is came down here and I copied the contract address. After copying the contract address, I exited the platform. Now, I came here to confirm price first because I know that CoinMarketCap and Trust Wallet get price feed from the same spots. Like their prices are always same. So we would use CoinMarketCap to compare our price with what we would see on the platform. Now the next thing to do is to exit out of your browser and then go to Trust Wallet. Let me authenticate my Trust Wallet, and as you can see, I'm logged into my wallet, and currently this is what I have. This is the balance I have in my wallet. Now the next thing you do, I have a few BNB as well. Sorry though. Next thing you do is click on the Discover. Now once you click on Discover, on this search box, just put in Valeris.network, Valeris.network, and then hit enter. This will load this platform. Now once you're here, if you're visiting it for the first time, you'll be required to connect your wallet first, but I have already connected my wallet, so you can see it here. The steps to connect your wallet is not hard. It's just click on the wallet icon and then follow the prompts that is being provided. If it gets too difficult for you, a link will be provided at the top of this screen to show you. It leads to a video that shows you how to connect your wallet to Valeris network. Now, after that is out of the way, the next thing to do is to make sure that you change your network from Ethereum to BSC, to BNB Smart Chain, because on default is always on Ethereum. So the next thing to do is click on the network and then change to BNB chain. Once that is done, the next thing to do is to click on your menu icon and then select the swap. Now this will bring us to the platform where we can buy the BIT token or sell the BIT token. Now in this case, we'll be buying BIT token from this platform because it is cheaper on this platform. And the next thing to do is just click on this toggle button and then click on the BNB. Once you click on the BNB, you paste the contract address that we copied. Now this is, if you have not imported it before, it's going to ask you to import the token. So for this, I'll click on import. Now just as you can see, the BIT token is loaded here. I don't know why the icon is still showing BNB icon. Guess it will change, but the BIT token itself has loaded here. So the next thing to do is to just click on this and then provide the amount of BIT token that you want to buy. If you click on this again, let's just confirm something. Let's search for BIT this time. Sorry, let's just refresh the page a bit. I want us to see something. Refresh the page. I want us to see something first before we start trading. Let's click on this and then search for BIT. I want you to pay attention to the price you're seeing on BIT here. BIT is showing $5.56 per BIT. Now if we come to our browser again, we can see that we have 5.62, which is a bit higher than the price we are seeing on Valeris network. This is the price arbitrage I am talking about. Now we are going to take advantage of this opportunity and make some profit. Now close on this, close the token selector, and then come back here and then provide the amount. For this, I would want to trade it 1,500 USDT. Now this is going to give me about 331 or let me use, in fact, let me use the entire USDT I have. So at the end of the day, when we swap back, we'll know what value we got. pay attention to the quantity that we have here initially. This is 1732.47. Now it is going to give us about 382.755 bit tokens. Let's click on the swap and click on confirm. Give it a few seconds to process. Now, as you can see, we have successfully swapped the token. When you close out on it, you see that the balance for the bit token now shows here, and our USDT is completely empty. Now, the next thing to do is just exit out of this platform. We have already bought the bit token. Now we need to go back to Trust Wallet and sell our bit token, so we would see the arbitrage opportunity that we have gotten. So I exit out of here, go back to the home of my Trust Wallet. I think, yeah, my bit token has reflected here. My bit token I've shown here. So the next thing to do is click on it. Let's just click on the activities. I don't know why this is not showing value. Give it a few seconds. Let's just, I think this is most likely network. This is most likely network. Yes, this is network. So now, coming to here and then click on the activity. As you can see here, we have 2005 sorry 2055 dollar worth of bits. That is what we have. But remember, we started this transaction with 1732 USDT. Now let's complete the entire process so we know that this is a complete arbitrage that we've done here. Let's come to our swap here. We'll come to the swap. For this, I would click on this and I will select toggle this first, have the bit at the top, and then come here and then search for USDT. So USDT BNB, we'll select it. Now after doing this, we just click on the max. Make sure that we are swapping everything. I want you to see what value it is now showing us. It is showing us 2045 USDT. Now if I click on the swap, let's process this. As you can see, we have submitted the transaction. Let's go back to our home, give the transaction a few seconds to process. Just hold on, please. I don't want to pause this and come back. I want this to happen live. Let us see exactly how we did this arbitrage trade completely. So just give this a few seconds for the transaction to process. It was pending when we saw it there. Voila. As you can see, now we now have about 2000. We can go in and properly see the activity, what really happened. As you can see here, we have swapped and then it returns 2045 0.12 USDT to us. But initially we started with about 1732. So we made way over $300 transacting using this arbitrage process. Guys, this is amazing. So guys, if this was helpful, if this video was helpful, please do well to subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon. Also comment on the comment section if you have any questions. Just drop a comment there. I'll be there to answer you. And until next time, please stay safe.